Hi, I'm Sonali. Feeling psychologically safe in a team is a non-negotiable part of being in a team. Without safety, a team is just a group of equally suspicious people looking over their shoulders. We know through research that teams that allow interpersonal risk-taking are highly productive, have better results, and are happier than teams who feel unsafe and stuck at work. As a team leader, you might have the best intentions, but creating a culture of psychological safety takes specific learning and practice. Join me for an interactive workshop to create a team culture people can thrive in and bring their best strengths to the team's most important goals. You will also learn through a useful framework that I have developed called the 6 Dimensions of Psychological Safety and a self-assessment based on this framework. These are the key objectives I will focus on. 1. Gain practical understanding of team psychological safety. 2. Discover an actionable psychological safety framework. 3. Identify and manage the barriers to team safety. 4. Learn strategies to convey safety, respect, and openness. And 5. Develop a plan to involve your team in being a safer place to work for everyone. Who should attend? This event is ideal for team leaders, HR professionals, and diversity and inclusion specialists. As a leader, you can create an environment where people can share ideas without fearing rejection and ridicule, point out concerns and risks without retaliation, and live their identity without exclusion. In this workshop, you will feel equipped, better informed, and confident to do just that. Check this workshop out and consider joining me for a day filled with practical techniques, aha moments, and clear direction to instill psychological safety in your team.